All right, you three can come up and do the props. All right, very good. Thank you very much. Go ahead and give Fredrina, Joe, and Christina a point, please. All right, number 7 done by Christina. You did that one, right?
Yeah, she did.
Or you leased it? All right, you leased it. All right.
So like leave it how it is?
X times x, all we do is we add the exponent. Since there is no exponent here, it's going to be a 1. So 1 plus 1 would be 2. So it's x squared. Very good. Number 8. All right, so first we multiply the coefficients. 2 times 3 is 6. Same thing here with the x's. Add 2 and 3. So x to the 5th. That is very good. And number 9, Joe. All right, you had a good idea. Well, first, is he correct?
No.
Jalen, is he correct?
No.
What should he have done? All right. What should he have done? Made what positive? All right. So what should have? Go up there and write the right answer. What should it have been? Trevon, is that right?
Yeah.
Very good. All right. Give Trevon and Lamonte a point. Very good. You were on the right track. Remember, whenever you have a negative exponent, you can never leave your final answer as negative.
So why you put the
Exponent. Because basically, what this basically is in a fraction form is this. It's really y to the negative 4th over 1. That's what it is in fraction form. So what we do is, in order to make this positive, you just move this down here, and this is really 1y. So once we move that down there, a 1 remains, and it's just y. So that's something you're going to have to remember. Again, the reason why we're doing this is to get you all ready for Algebra 2 next year, because when you get into Algebra 2, they're going to expect you to already know how to do all this stuff. So that's why we're doing this last month, to make sure that y'all are ready. All right, I'm going to do a couple of examples really quick. All right, first one, I'll do 4 just by myself, and then the next 4 I'll have y'all do it.
Yeah, I think I do that.
Huh? All right, what do I? Work me through it then. What do I do?
Don't you times the 4 by
4 times 4, very good. 16. And what do I do with the x's? What do I do with the exponents?
Yeah.
Add them. So x to the negative 2 plus 4 is what?
2.
Yeah, very good. That's all we're doing those in our warm-up. Very good. All right, 2, the second one we're going to do. Yeah, this is stuff that y'all have already seen. I just want to, refresh your memory. So now let's say we have 3 times 2 y squared. All right, this one, again, we're going to multiply the coefficient. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then we're going to do negative 4 plus 3, so we're going to get y to the negative 1. But remember, we can't have our final answer the negative exponent. So the final answer is just going to be 6 or y. That's the same thing as the 1, but we just do that. All right, the next one. Remember, anything raised to the 0 power is what? 1. Very good. So we have 3x to the 0 power to the 3rd. This one, just be careful on. So we always do what's in parentheses first. So x to the 0 power we said is what? 1. So that's just going to be 3 times 1 to the third, which is going to be 3 to the third. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Right, and then, alright, say we have 3x to the fourth, y to the negative third, to the negative second power. Alright, very first thing we need to do is get rid of this negative exponent. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to put this whole entire thing in the denominator. So it's going to be 1 over 3x to the fourth, y to the negative third. But now we have that one last negative exponent. So we're simply going to make it, we're going to move it up to the numerator. So it'll be y to the third over 3x to the fourth.
At this time, SEAM, ROTC, and PE may proceed to lunch. SEAM, ROTC, and PE may proceed to lunch. Thank you.
All right, is there any questions on any of those four? All right, now, these next four I'm going to have you all do with me, and we will keep track of points. So the first question, let's see, I already asked. First question is going to be for Joe. And again, if you think Joe answered incorrectly, and you think you can answer it correctly, raise your hand, and you will get a point. All right, so let's see. Let's make this number 5. All right, 2r to the negative fourth times r. All right, so Joe, what are we going to do first? All right, well, variables. Well, do it kind of in this order. First, think to yourself, what are the coefficients, and then multiply the coefficients. So what is the coefficient of the second r? What is this coefficient right here? 1. All right, so we're going to have 2 times 1, which is going to be 2. Now you were saying to do what? Multiply the variables. So what is r to the negative fourth times r going to be? I'm sorry. Negative third. Very good. So we got r to the negative third. Now, all right, go ahead and give Joe a point, please. My next question is, are we done, Caleb? Problem correct in its form. Yes, she's correct, Lydia. She's correct. All right, the answer is no. Remember, we can't. It's all right. You cannot have.
A negative number. So
Right. So what would you do?
You gotta rewrite it
As what?
a positive fraction.
Okay, so how would I write that? 2 what?
2r. Yeah, you put 2r.
Rob? 2 what?
R3 over 1.
Hold on. You're close. You're on the right track. No, Terrell?
You put 2 over r under 2 and just leave it as that.
You like that?
I don't think you need to put the 3.
There.
Well, no.
Yeah.
Put the 3
Why
by the
don't
r.
you think you need to put the 3 there?
Put the 3 by the
The
r.
3, it's not negative. The 3 with r to the third power.
Right, so
2 over r to the third
Yeah.
power.
2 over r to the third power. Very good. Alright, see that? Alright, so again, we can't have a negative exponent, our final answer.
Good
So
job.
we have to change it to that. Go ahead and give Terrell one on that one. Good try, though, good try. Alright, next one. Let's do. Four a to the third, b to the second times 2a to the fifth, negative fifth, b to the negative third. All right, so Olivia, what are we going to do first? What would you do first? What are you going to multiply first? 4 times 2, very good. Always do the coefficients first. So we got 4 times 2. If you want, if you wanna kinda chunk it out on your paper like this, that's fine, so you just do 4 times 2, and then what are we gonna do next?